Hey everyone, today I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can save your Photoshop file as a PDF. Okay, now first you can just go into File, click on Save As, and I'm just going to save it on my computer. And then you can actually just rename this if you want, and go to Save As Type and change this into Photoshop PDF. Usually it will be on Photoshop, but you need to change it into Photoshop PDF. Okay, I'm just gonna save it on my desktop, and now let's just save. Okay, you just click OK, and now this box will pop up, and you can actually just leave it as it is. If you wanna uncheck this, it's fine. You can preserve it Photoshop editing capabilities, but for me, I'm gonna check it. Alright, let's just save. Click yes, and now you save your PDF. Let's check if it works. So I'll click on it. There you go. So now you know how to save your Photoshop file as a PDF. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.